In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how we make $2,000 per day with ceramic coatings, just like this one. I'm going to take you through everything, how we get our leads, how we close them, and how we deliver the coatings mobily and make $2,000 a day. Let's get into it.
Hey, sorry for interrupting the video. Just want to take a quick second to tell you all about this free 90-minute masterclass we have for beginner detailers making under $10,000 per month in their business. In it, I give you 5 free marketing tactics, free social media posts, 30% off an online booking software, and a lot of other free giveaways. If you're interested and you want to grow your business, start taking it seriously, you can use these marketing tactics to make thousands of dollars per month for free. You can check it out. The link to it's in our bio, in the description of this video. You can find it pretty much on all our social medias. But yeah, go check it out now, and now we'll get back to the video.
All right, so the first step of getting ceramic coating appointments is getting leads, right? So how we're going to do that is on Facebook. And the campaign y'all are going to be modeling after is this one right here. I'm just going to go through the exact campaign, and you can just copy everything word for word how I do it. So the first thing you're going to do is name your campaign. It's going to be a lead campaign and an auction type. Then you go next, go to the ad set. We're going to use instant forms, which are just integrated in Facebook, like Facebook lead forms. So click the instant forms section, click your Facebook page you want to link it to. Go down your daily budget. Right now, we're only doing 10. We're probably going to bump that up to 20. Right now, we're testing 2 different ads, but this is the one that's performing the best. So, put in your daily budget. 10 is probably the minimum. Anything less than 10 won't be worth it. Right now, we're just getting a trickle of leads. I think we have 4, and we started running this yesterday or 2 days ago. But we're going to bump this up. Once we have a clear winner in a couple of days, we'll bump this up to about $40 or $50 a day. Once we know it works. Set your start date, set your end date. Probably you want to test it for a week or so before deciding. You could also test some different ads, but I'll show you what ad we're running and you can kind of copy it. This is the targeting you're going to use, so you can go ahead and just pause the video, copy this targeting right here. These are all the interests that you're going to want to target. So yeah, pause the video, take these down, and just put them in yours. We target 20 to 65. You really could target probably 25. Not a lot of young people are looking for ceramic coatings or have the money for them. And then wherever your city you're in, we do 35 miles. Within 35 miles, we'll go a little further for ceramic coatings than we would normal detailing, but we stick to 35 miles. And then an ad, it looks like this. It's a video. Press play, you can kind of watch it. I'm gonna mute it. It's just some music back there. I'm not sure if y'all can hear that, but it's a video kind of showing before and after what their car is gonna look like, some of the properties of a ceramic coating in action. But yeah, that's the video we use. You can get an editor on Fiverr to make you something similar to this, or you can do it yourself in like Canva. Link your Instagram account so it shows on Facebook and Instagram. And then this is where you add in your media. You go here, and it'll be like add picture or video. We use videos. We have used pictures in the past of cars that we've ceramic coated, and they work too, but video works a little better. This is our primary text, so you can just again pause the video and model yours after this right here. Obviously, you're gonna have to tweak some things to make it match up with your offer, but that's what we use. So go ahead and copy that. We use the get offer call to action, and then in your form, you're gonna go up here to create form, and then all we use for the form, all we collect is full name, phone number, and email, and that's it. Because we want to get a lot of leads. We don't want there to be a ton of questions they have to fill out. It just keeps people from filling it out. So we want to get their info, and then we can nurture them on the back end. So this is all you're gonna do. Then click publish, launch your ad, and leads are gonna start coming in. Now, to track the leads, once they come in, we have an automation for our ceramic coating nurture campaign, right? So it'll be over here. So once they come in, this is the trigger up here. So you're gonna click, Facebook lead form, in form, and then click the form that you just made, then save that. We have an internal notification. And this software is called Go High Level. I think it's like $97 a month. But this is what we use, all our phone numbers, all our SMS, text to customers, our ongoing nurture campaigns. So like once a customer books a detail, they automatically get put in this system. And then they get emails from us like all year round about, different deals we're doing. If we're ever doing like a one-off deal, like a gift card sale during Christmas time, we make that campaign and then launch it out to all of our customers. And I can show you all how many customers we have in here over the years. But we have an internal notification. So this is when I get a text every time we get a lead that just says, ceramic lead and then their name. That way I know to go reach out or see, what they respond with. Our first text that they get is, hey man, just saw you filled out our Facebook form about getting your vehicle ceramic coated. Here's our different packages. And then I put our ceramic pricing picture in there and I can show y'all what that looks like. Yeah, so the little picture they get that we send them looks like this, and it just, says our packages here. And then we always offer a $300 off code. So we just mark these prices up a little bit. This one is no paint correction or very little. Then here we, full step paint correction, 1 step, and then ultimate, 3-step paint correction. So these are our different packages. This is the picture we send them in that first opening text right here. You can see it's down here, the ceramic pricing. And then we also send them the email version. Pretty much the same thing, just saw you filled it out with that pricing. Which one are you interested in? Then if they respond to that one, it stops. I go ahead and respond and we, get on the phone or set up a time to talk. If they don't respond to that one, the system waits 1 day and then they get another one. So, and this one is like hey, look, we just ceramic coated these vehicles last week. Wanted to show you what to expect when we ceramic coat your vehicle. And I have a video to a Corvette we ceramic coated. Actually, it was probably like 3 weeks ago. And then another before and after picture of a Range Rover that we coated recently as well. Same thing, but an email version. And then again, if they respond, I reach out again. If they don't respond, it waits another day and they get another text. Are you on the fence about it? If you are, we offer a $50 wash and inspection. So this is a way for me to go out to the vehicle for $50, basically, not making any money, but it's a way to talk to the customer face-to-face and sell them face-to-face on a ceramic coating. A lot of detailers will do this for free. For us, I'm not going out there for free when I can close them over the phone most of the time. So I just said, if they're really on the fence, get a $50 wash and I'll inspect your paint. And basically it's just me selling them on a ceramic coating there live. And then again, the email version. And then that's pretty much it. After that, if they don't respond, it waits another day and then it ends the campaign. And then I'll build a longer term nurture sequence. I'm building it actually right now, where, they'll get emails probably every few days about the benefits of ceramic coating, all that kind of stuff. But that's like a longer term nurture sequence. I can put it in here, is where I'll put it. I'll just keep tacking it on here at the bottom. But yeah, like I was saying, I can show you how many contacts we have in here. 6,254 contacts. So that's every customer that's ever booked a detail or called our business or texted our business. We have all their info and it's saved in that Go High Level software. That way I can contact them whenever I want. And those are all, maybe not all because we get some sales calls, but 95% are all people who live in Birmingham who have thought about getting their car detailed. So they're, really good contacts to have in that system. So this is how we get our leads, right? Through Facebook, those leads come in. That's how we nurture them. That's how we sell them. I'll hop on a phone call, tell them the benefits, to ask them about their vehicle. They tell me the details of what they're looking for. Some of them are easy sells. Some people know what they're talking about. Some people don't even know what a ceramic coating is. So you kind of have to do some more selling on the benefits and, they protect their vehicle, lock in that look over, years. We actually just did a ceramic coating today. But then in this next section, I will go into how I actually deliver the ceramic coating mobily, right? Because doing a ceramic coating, most people will do it in a shop. We do it mobily, and I've come up with this system over a few years, kind of perfecting it. But yeah, I'll go into that right now.
All right, so after you get the leads, you hop on the phone or text them and sell them on the actual ceramic coating. The next thing is actually delivering the ceramic coating, right? And that includes, if you don't know how to do it, I would scour YouTube. That's originally how I learned how to do it. And then I just practiced on a couple cars of my own. And then finally started charging for it. But to deliver them mobily, the toughest part is the paint correction part. So you got to prep the paint, do the full interior and exterior detail, and then paint correct the entire car if it has swirl marks, oxidation, spider webbing, stuff like that. Most people want to get that done before they put on a ceramic coating, because the ceramic coating locks that look in for years. And then you go after that, isopropyl alcohol the car, and then lay the coating down, and then it's done. So what I did is I found a guy who just loves paint correction, who's really good at it. I hired him. He's a contractor. He kind of works for himself, but he doesn't do a lot of detailing. He does mostly paint correction work, and I just pay him per paint correction. So he charges me $250 to $350 to paint correct the whole vehicle, get all the swirl marks out, and then I come behind him and just lay down the coating afterwards. So he's out there right now working on the car. It's a Corvette, and he's been out there since 9 a.m. It's 2. And I'm just heading out there now to meet him. He's finishing up. I'm gonna go over there, isopropyl alcohol the car, and then lay down the ceramic coating, collect the payment, and then I'm done. I'm out of there. And it's so much better. Not only paint correction takes a lot of time and work and effort, it also, there's a learning curve to it. You have to practice and get good at it. And I just haven't spent the time to do that. I would much rather pay somebody to be out there all day instead of me going to do it. And he's better at it than me. So I want the customer to be as happy as possible. So I'm gonna pay Austin, his name's Austin, $250 out of $1,000 ceramic coating to get it done correctly. But yeah, I'll show y'all what it looks like when I get out there. So I'll see y'all in a second. yep, that's the whole process of how we get leads for ceramic coatings, sell the leads, and then deliver the ceramic coatings mobily. I didn't film a lot of the ceramic coating just because I can't have headphones in and record, and I was out there for over an hour, and I like to listen to a podcast or something. But yeah, if you like this video, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.